Campus. Today I am going to show you how to add topics into the topic master in Divine Campus software. For that purpose, first we will go to the Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome, and then if you are having a shortcut, go to the shortcut, or otherwise log in with the Divine Campus. So you will see the window of Divine Campus open. Go to the login, select particular class, and then login. Now after login, this window opens in front of you, which is commonly known to you. Now then go to the more and go to the academic. Now here we want to enter the topics. Okay, so for that purpose, go to the left hand side. You'll see in this video you are having a topic master. Go to the topic master, then this window opens in front of you. Then go to the here to the right hand side, you will find add button is there. Okay, go to the add button. Again, new window opens in front of you. Then here you will find class, subject, number, and title. Okay, now here click on the class. Now 3 classes are assigned to me, so only 3 classes are visible. Now when we will have all the classes are assigned, then we will have 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th, 10th. All these classes will be seen here. Now we are now here 3 classes, so let us click on 9th standard. If suppose I want to enter the 9th standard, the topic, then go to the subject. For the 9th standard, to me assigned subjects are like this. So I'll go to the suppose science 1. Geometry I already entered, so I'm not showing you geometry. I'll show you science 1. Then in science 1, when you click, then you'll find that one number automatically appears here, that is number 1. Okay, this is by default. Then you can change this number also if you want, but by default you got 1 here because none of the topic is added over here. Then click on the title button. If you click on the title button, then write the title. The title for the first topic is laws of motion, so you can write here laws of motion. Okay, it is laws of motion. Now this should be completed, say suppose in the month of June, so I'll write it here, month, that is June. Okay, so the month of June, it will appear over here. So this is month of June. Okay, and then you have to click on save button. Then you'll find here created successfully will appear, means first topic is created. Then you'll find that here the number has changed, now it became 2. Okay, so again same class, 9th, science 1, number 2. Then go to the second topic. The second topic is work and energy. So like this you can enter any of the topic and in front of it write the month. Say suppose I want to complete this in the month of July, so write it here, July. Okay, again save it. So it is saved. All right, now first topic, third topic, same way third topic you are going to enter. So I'll show you third, that is current electricity. So like that you can write all the topics in particular month. Say now suppose this also should be completed in the month of July, so I'll write it month of July and then save it. Okay, now some are having the topics in Marathi or English. Now for that purpose also you can directly copy from the PDF. Say suppose I am having one PDF here. Now from this PDF you can select, say suppose I want to select Santavani, so select like this Santavani and say Control C. Okay, Control C, then minimize this one, come back to your topic here, click and say Control V, then the topic appears. So no need to type the topic again. Okay, so this is for the language teachers, those who are having Marathi and Hindi. You can copy directly from the PDF, or if you are not having, so convert the first page of your topic into the PDF, copy it and paste it into the title bar. You will find that the title is saved. Okay, so like this you can save the title of in other language than English, that is Hindi and Marathi also. Now here, so like this you can enter the topics, and now question arises where it is saved. Okay, so I saved only 3 topics. Now let's go back here If you go back and if you drag down here, then you will find that the topics will be seen here. See here, ninth science 1 first topic, laws of motion, June month, same way second and third topic. Now say suppose I don't want this topic to be there in that month, so go on this and select. Okay, now when you select it, the topic will be appearing over here and some of the keys will be activated. Now here edit key is there, so you can edit it, edit, then either you can change this topic, or if you want, then you can change and say save. Okay, so suppose I saved it. Okay, now saved successfully. Now if suppose I want to delete this one, so go back again, go to the topic master, select the topic. Now here this is delete button activated, so you can delete it and it will ask you a permission. If you want to delete, say okay, so it is deleted. Okay, so like this you can add or delete the topic into the topic master. I hope I am very much clear in giving assigning the topic. So now let me revise it again. What you are going to do, go to the more, go to the academic. Okay, when you will go to the academic, go to the topic master. After going to the topic master, go to the add button, and after add button, go to the class, then the subject, then the number and the title. Enter it, save it, you will find that the topic will be saved. Like this you can enter the topic in any of the class and the sequence will be maintained. If you are adding into the sequence, you will see the sequence. But if suppose you are adding with the month wise, that is June, July, August, so you can write beside it June, July, so that teachers can see that this topic should be completed in the month of June. I hope the topic addition is clear to you. Thank you.